everyone, so there is a new build of Windows in the Insider Dev channel. Let's take a look at it today. This is build 2200.65 and let's take a look at some of the things that have been changed compared to the last build. So first of all, let's open up the changelog. So these will be linked in the description, but it's just an official Windows blog. So if we go right here, we can see some of the changes and improvements. So the first thing, Start now has a search box. So if we look right here, it has a search box. So if we click on that search box, it goes to search. So it's just regular search. So I'm not exactly sure why they added that, because you can just start typing. But anyway, that is a new thing that's added right up here. Now the taskbar can now show across multiple monitors if you enable that feature. So it was an option before, as far as I know, but it wasn't working for me. I tried to do that. Anyway, so they have updated several system alert dialog boxes, and so they're updated to the new Windows design. And so they, like when your battery is running low, it gives you that message here. Well, it looks just more compliant with the new design techniques and everything like that. Now the power mode settings are now available on the power and battery page in settings. So let's check that out. Let's see here. So we have power mode right here. So this is best power efficiency. So it's best power efficiency, balanced, and best performance. So that's the thing that used to be when you click on the battery icon. Well, now it's right here, and it doesn't seem like it has a separate thing for when your PC is plugged in. But anyway, you can select that now. When you right click on the desktop, it now has a refresh option right here. I don't really use that option that much, but now it's there. Instead of having to go show more options, then it brings up the old dialog and then you click refresh. Anyway, so if you right click a PS1 file in File Explorer, and it has a run with PowerShell option without needing to click show more options. Available snap layouts when using smaller PCs in portrait orientation. So when you basically turn, if you have like a smaller tablet or something, when you turn it vertically, then it has snapping options that make more sense. So right clicking on the volume icon in the taskbar now includes an option to troubleshoot sound problems. So let's try that. If we right click there, yeah, we have an option to troubleshoot sound problems. Some fixes, they have this thing called Print Nightmare, and it is basically a print spooler thing. And so hackers can hijack the print spooler, the thing that manages your prints, and they can do all sorts of things to your computer. So they fixed that issue. And so taskbar, when you go down, when you put your mouse down into the corner, if you just slam it down there, before it couldn't show the desktop. You'd have to space it away a little bit. An issue where the date and time in the taskbar weren't reflecting your preferred format. So maybe if you switch the time formats, then it wouldn't do that. Anyway, that is now fixed. And so if you rotate, so if you have a tablet or something, if you rotate it and then to portrait and then rotate it back to landscape, and then the app icons down here may not be in the correct position. So if you have a whole bunch of icons pinned, then it will try to make that scrollable or something. Anyway, it might not go back. So that's another fix. So an issue that I've actually had on my main computer, they fixed an issue. Basically settings wouldn't launch. So I had this after I updated the build. So I had the 0.1 release, I updated it to the 0.51, and so basically I would try to open settings and it wouldn't open. It would just display the settings logo, the splash screen, and then it would just crash. And I had to do a fix in PowerShell from Microsoft. Actually, they had a fix that they had there. Anyway, so that is now fixed. And a noticeable stutter in the animation when closing quick settings and notifications. So if we go to here, notifications, basically when you close that by clicking the icon, it apparently sometimes, I don't know, it kind of stuttered. Focus assist enabling unexpectedly. So I've noticed these focus assist, actually when I first installed the other build, it was on and it kept doing that, a couple times, and so that is now fixed. And there's just a bunch of stuff here. I'll look to see if there's anything significant. So File Explorer, penning and unpenning apps from start not working, the command bar in File Explorer disappearing, and the snap layouts unexpectedly not appearing until rebooting your PC. Context menu in File Explorer could be blurry. Search dropping the first keystroke when pressing the Windows key and starting to type. Known issues, so there are still some known issues. Anyway, so you can look through those by using the link in the description. One other thing that I noticed that's actually not on this list, I'm not sure if it's a change, but I didn't recognize it. Go here, enter our password, and when we press enter, it now displays the loading wheel above welcome. I don't think that's how it was before. Anyway, so that is about it for today. Until next time, we will see you next time. Subscribe and like if you enjoyed this video.